Good morning, guys. Today is September.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Zach.
Good morning, guys.
Today is September 29, 2017. It's Friday. It's TJ last day of school kasi may 2 weeks holiday sila after ito. I love you. And it's also a long weekend and I am so excited, guys, kasi I have visitors coming from Adelaide. I haven't seen them for I haven't seen them for 4 months. Yes.
For 2 months.
4 months because we went to the Philippines for 2 months. So, before that, we haven't seen them, right?
I think them when we were little.
So, anyway, guys, maglilinis tayo at saka mag-grocery. Right, Zach? We have visitors coming, right?
You did need to find that in there too.
Yeah, you're going to Kinder. I said we'll have visitors coming here
Yes.
tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Zachary.
So, yeah, maglinis muna tayo, guys. I know, mag-grocery muna ako and then maglilinis. So, see ya!
We like flying with. Huh? Yeah. And Holly. Holly like with all the time. Want to fight with now?
So I don't believe you feel it too. I'm just trying to hold on. And the feeling you gave me, so special, fine, and real. Hope you won't regret it. 'Cause this is how I feel. Yeah.
Huh? Who knows it? How did you buy that? Where did you buy that?
Oh, sorry, Papa.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mommy.
It's the feeling you gave me, so special, fine, and real. Hope you won't forget me. This is how I'll always feel. It's the feeling you gave me, so special, fine, and real. Hope you won't forget me. This is how I'll always feel. Yeah. This is how I'll always feel. 'Cause the feeling you gave.
It's too noisy.
Oh, that's a lovely picture.
Not yet. Later, yes. Heavy one first.
It's the feeling you gave me. So special life in me. I hope you won't forget me. This is how I'll always It's the feeling you gave
This one? Oh, it's heavy.
me. Special life in me. I hope you won't forget me.
Yeah, thank you.
This is how I'll always
Okay, let's go, boys. Let's go, Zach. Hey, what are you doing? Little girl.
Oh, come on! Mom, why not put them there? Yeah. Mom, there's honey, chocolate.
Let's go, let's go, let's roll, let's roll. Let's go, let's go, let's roll, let's roll.
Thank you.
Hey, Zach, did you do mine? No, I did this one. What's mine? Don't do mine.
This one, oh. Oh, no.
Why is it more? Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig.
Welcome for the summer. When I'm late, boy, got your body on my mind. You make my heart beat faster. I'll be a sweet disaster. Deep in my body.
Hey, what are you doing under the table, Holly?